2018 Infinity q50. The AC air conditioning stopped working. Now finally found the data. We do have it on. What do we have physically here? The compressor clutch is not engaging. What can I do here? Actuation test. This is actually what took me a minute to find. This you got to go to, not here, not the engine, right here, intermediate, whatever. Here in the actuator test you're gonna have the AC compressor. Here, let's turn it on. Okay. It's on, supposedly. What happens here? Nothing happening here. I did check the fuse inside of this box for the air conditioning. I did check the fuse that people say is related to that in here. Fuses are good. So the next step would be, we actually do have a pressure in here. Next step is to actually get physically to the compressor. We got no codes. Physically get to the air compressor connector and check whether we getting voltage there when it's on. If we do, it's gonna be bad AC clutch, pretty much AC compressor. If we don't, then it's gonna be a whole different story. Maybe we have a bad relay, maybe some kind of a controls are not engaging, but I think it doesn't complain about anything. So honestly, I think what's gonna end up to be, yeah, it's supposedly it's on. The car thinks that the AC is on. So pretty much, yeah, have to go down to the AC compressor, which is not easy. Well, I guess I'll talk to the customer and see if he wants to proceed with that or not. Alright, thank you.